before you start. Please read the content on page 2 of the printed guide carefully. Let's get started now. Time to break out your transfer film and accessories. When the top left corner of the film is rounded, that side is the printing side. And we recommend using 5-color DTF inks to get a perfect transfer. Let's see the difference between these two types of printing. We noticed that some people only have sublimation printers and 4-color sublimation ink. We have some solutions for you to make the transfer even better. Sprinkle the powder on the pattern when the ink is wet. Let the powder cover the pattern and shake off the excess powder. Melt DTF powder with an oven. Please make sure all powder is melted. Pre-press the garment for 2 to 5 seconds before the transfer. This will flatten the fabric. Place the film on the fabric and fix it with heat-resistant tape to avoid shifting during the transfer. Put the Teflon sheet on the pattern to protect the clothes. For special fabrics, set the temperature and time according to the melting point. Wait for cooling. Peel off the film in a slow, continuous motion. Congratulations! You did it! The 5-color DTF ink offers high color reproduction and a silky smooth feel. All colors are 100% restored, including white or off-white. No flaking, peeling, or cracking. It is washable and fade-proof. Fantastic! We can't wait to see your perfect idea. Come and share it. Your support means everything to us. Let's see the difference between the two types of transfers. Wait, let's go back to the stage after printing the pattern. We used a white background to compare two printed patterns. The colors in the 5-color print are completely opaque due to the white ink coverage. The pattern printed with 4-color ink is slightly transparent, and the white part of the pattern is missing. Wherever the white paper is present, the pattern can restore its original color. This highlights the importance of white ink in true DTF printing to achieve 100% color reproduction. 5-color DTF ink offers high color reproduction and a silky smooth feel. 4-color sublimation ink prints achieve 96% color reproduction, but some white-related colors may be missing. For a perfect transfer, we recommend using professional DTF 5-color ink and Beryzol transfer products. Don't get discouraged if you encounter any issues. Check out the video tutorial and user manual and give it another go.